Hello beautiful people, buongiorno a tutti, ciao a tutti, salut a tous. Oggi facciamo waakye. So today we're gonna make waakye. Waakye is basically rice and beans, right? And then you can either choose to add bicarbonate of soda or waakye leaves, ok? Bicarbonato, riso e fagioli agli occhi neri, va bene? Questi sono i tre principali ingredienti che hai bisogno. Fai cuocere i fagioli per quasi 20 minuti e aggiungi il bicarbonato. So, soak your beans overnight, cook them for about 20 minutes, okay, the next day, and then add bicarbonate of soda. Look, this is going to give you the color that waakye has. If you don't have the sorghum leaves, don't exaggerate, okay? I used about 6 to 7 cups of beans, 7 cups of rice, and only a teaspoon of bicarbonate. So do not exaggerate, okay? You can choose to wash your rice if you want. This time I didn't wash my rice because I didn't want to add excess water in order not to add too much bicarbonate of soda. Add salt to taste, give it a stir. Don't be tempted. Listen, with time the color is gonna come. Don't be tempted and add too much, okay? If you add too much, your waakye is gonna be sour. Quindi non aggiungere troppo bicarbonato, ok? Il colore che vuoi ottenere o il colore che di solito il waakye ha, cioè, guarda, verrà. Dallo un po' di tempo, ok? So cover it, stir intermittently, make sure you reduce the heat. What I say, ok? Quindi abbassa il fuoco. Ma guarda questo waakye, è molto facile. Fai cuocere i fagioli, aggiungi bicarbonato che aiuta a cuocerlo bene e poi il riso. Più semplice di così non lo trovi da nessuna parte. So waakye is enjoyed with some pasta or spaghetti, aka talia. Then you add some of the stew to garnish it, some tomato stew and shito, okay? So in my next video, I will show you how I prepare my waakye stew. And then some salad, to try Let me know if you would eat this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share. So this is our waakye ebusia ekoyi. So you add some gari as well. Thank you for watching.